Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to grow green giants from cuttings. Take cuttings from healthy, disease-free branches and cut just below a node. Dip the basal end in rooting hormone and tap off excess. Insert cuttings into a moist, well-draining mix at a depth covering 2 nodes. Keep humidity high with a plastic dome and place in bright, indirect light until roots form and new growth appears. Mist the cuttings daily and monitor moisture closely, aiming for even dampness without sogginess. Use a humidity dome or clear bag to keep humidity high and reduce water loss. Place the tray in bright, indirect light and avoid direct sun that can scorch leaves. Check for roots after 3 to 6 weeks by gentle tugging and only transplant when roots are well developed and healthy. Quick recommendation: on another note, if you like fresh scents, try Little Tree's black ice for your car to brighten plant shopping trips. It pairs oddly well with soil bags and morning nursery runs and keeps your commute pleasant. If you enjoy this content, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Carefully remove rooted cuttings and transplant into larger pots with a quality potting mix. Gently tease roots if they are circling and settle plants, so the root collar is level with the soil. Water thoroughly after transplant and keep plants in bright, indirect light for another week. Gradually acclimate them to normal household conditions by reducing humidity and increasing airflow before moving outdoors or into permanent positions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.